Okay guys, how's it going? We are getting ready to go run up to Tire Blocks and pick up the Vortex tuner for the YFZ. So it looks like my dad is in the way of the car. That is gonna have to change. Okay, we need to go grab the Mercedes key, get that thing moved, and then yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get in the BMW, head up north to Tire Blocks, pick that up, come back here, get that all dialed in, get all our gear ready, because we're going riding tomorrow. Alright guys, let's go ahead and hit you guys with a nice quick cold start. That was gnarly. Woo! Go! Hey guys, just made it up to Tire Blocks. Just made it up Tire Blocks. Picked up the Vortex. Now we're gonna go ahead and run home. Get this sucker installed, get it all dialed in, get it adjusted right, and then we need to oil the chain on the bike, get all our gear together, all that fun stuff. So yeah, probably see you guys back at the house. Okay guys, we are back at the house now. We are about to go run and pick up some race gas from the local race car track. But no, we also are gonna go over to Gavin's, probably help him do an oil change on his bike, get his filter all cleaned up because he's coming tomorrow too. But we also have to throw the Vortex on this thing. So we're gonna do that. We need to oil the chain still. I think there was one more thing I need to do. I already did the filter on this thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and go get some race gas though before they close, so let's get it. Okay guys, go to race gas. It's up to $12 a gallon, which still isn't that bad. I mean, BP is probably like more than that, so yeah. Now we're gonna go and head home and go work on the bike. All right, we are back at the house. We got our fuel. We're gonna have to throw that in the bike. But right now, we need to get this MSD off. We need to get the MSD off and then hook up the Vortex. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this out of the bike and then we will go from there. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get this sucker open. Pretty sure this came from Duncan. Yeah, Duncan Racing. Oh yeah. Here's our little bracket plate. The rubber piece slides in there. Like that. Pretty sure we throw the Vortex on it first. Wait to do that. Here's the Vortex. Boom. Pretty sweet. Not sure what these plugs are for. I'll have to ask my dad. But, you know, quite the... Sure, we're probably going to save some weight with this little guy. That little MSD's kind of heavy. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this all set up. Or, we might have to wait for my dad, so... Probably wait for my dad, but right now we're probably going to head over to Gavin's and help him with his bike. So, yeah, let's get it going. Okay guys, so these MSDs are weird. So I just realized that this thing sells a stock ECU on it. So the harness, it has its own harness that runs into the stock ECU, and the stock harness runs into the MSD. It's such a weird setup because if we come over here, the Vortex, you just take the Vortex, okay, completely get rid of the stock ECU, scratch it, get rid of it, and it just mounts right there. It'd be like that. Yeah, mounts just like that. So that is a strange setup, but I think we're gonna mount it in there. That's how we had our other one set up, I think. So we'll probably just do that. Yeah, no, that's strange, very strange. So yeah, let's go ahead and get all that out, and then yeah, we'll figure it out. But God, I really need to start taking the plastic off when I wash this thing, because this thing is dirty under here. So yeah, we're gonna have to start taking the plastics off. What is this thing? That is interesting. Like, what in the world? Where does that even go? We'll have to check that out. Okay guys, we just got the MSD all unhooked. We got the stock ECU out. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw the VORTEX in. And yeah, then we'll have to wait for my dad so he can mess with the settings and get it all dialed in, put on a safe map where we're not blowing nothing up. But yeah, let's go ahead and plug the VORTEX in and then go over to Gavin's. Got Gavin's bike all loaded up, ready for tomorrow, ready to go freaking ripski. What you think, guy?
I think I might need to stay up.
Yeah, you ready? You ready for tomorrow? Oh yeah, he's ready. Got the YZ250F all loaded up. Yes, sir. Gonna leave straight out of school.
See me on the podium.
Oh boy,
yeah.
Oh boy. Already talking smack.
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay guys, so now we just need to wait on my dad. We got the rear brake back on, like the rear brake light assembly back on. So now we're just waiting for my dad to get back, which I don't know when he's gonna be back here. Might have to do this tomorrow morning, but tune the VORTEX, get that all dialed in, and then we can throw the seat and the rear plastics back on. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and lube the chain, and then I'm gonna fill up this thing and fill up the pitter real quick. So let's go ahead and get that going right now. Dialed. Okay, we got the bikes all filled up, the chain lubed. We're gonna go ahead and make a little tote with like things that we might need. So we're gonna bring, let's see here. I have this tote right here. We're just gonna pull some stuff out of it that we don't need, and yeah, we'll use this as our little parts box. So let's go ahead and get this made up, and then I'll show you guys once it's done. Okay guys, we pretty much got this box all done. I've just got a couple of bolt kits. We got some grease, coolant, brake fluid, brake cleaner, some filter oil, spare oil filter, flex bar adjustment pieces, yeah, some grips in case one of my buddies wads their brains out and they decide to keep riding and need grips. Got them all hooked up. But yeah, no, I think that's gonna pretty much wrap that up. We have our mode tool oil. We're gonna bring 2 jugs in case we need to do an on-site oil change. But if that comes down to it, I'll probably just end up leaving, but just in case, you never know. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw all this in the truck real quick so we don't forget it. Let's see, it's unlocked. It's unlocked. Okay. Got some shorts and a crazy car charger. All right, let's do that right there. Move that forward very slowly. Oh, all right. Go ahead and load all this crud up. All right, truck's all loaded up for the most part. Got the gear bag, goggle, oil, tote. Another thing we need to pack now is our easy up chair, and then the bikes, and what else? Our fuel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, we're gonna be ripping. I cannot wait. I freaking love riding, you guys. Oh, maybe we should bring that dirt bike tray. The pro tray? Yeah, we'll probably bring that. Why not? This thing's sweet. Watch this. Grab it like a normal human being. Check this out. Bam. Fits on the seat. Freaking baller. Alright, well, we're gonna get this garage door shut. It's freaking cold outside. So, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, we just got the bike all wrapped up, all put back together, got the Vortex dialed in. We were shooting some flames there for a minute. We had to just run a little rich, so we had to lean her out a little bit. We didn't lean her out too much. It could be leaner, I think, but we just want to throw it on a dyno before we go too lean and really start messing stuff up. So we just left that where it is. It's pretty good. Probably have to choke it when I start it, but no big deal. So yeah, she's ready to rip tomorrow. But I think that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Other than that, see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's video is going to be freaking sick, so stay tuned.